Hey everyone, if your VR pawn is not colliding with something, I'm here to hopefully help you. Long story short, this is not working. When I go into this box collider right here, it does not work. What you may want to try is going into your VR pawn in the VR pawn blueprint, add a capsule collider or a capsule collision. So long story short, I don't think there's a collider on your VR pawn. And so when you have a collider and you're trying to collide with it, it's not registering. So all you have to do is put on capsule collider, and then it should work right out of the box. So you can go test it yourself or you can watch real quick. I go in here, go into VR. To know that this is working, this red box should turn green. And now it's green. Perfect. Hopefully that helps you. And if it did, be sure to give me a like, subscribe, and come hang out with me when I do live videos or whatever. All right, see you later.